In this video, I'll show you how to fix the scroll wheel of your Logitech Pebble mouse M350 if it doesn't scroll as usual, if it's very stiff like mine here. I don't know if you can even see it, or I mean it's very hard to feel it on the camera, but yeah, it's stiff. I'll show you how it can be done quite easily in just a few seconds. First thing, you need to remove the top panel of the mouse here, like so. It's held by magnets, very easy to remove. And then we have this. Then once it's open here, you're gonna remove the small USB dongle if it's there, and you're gonna also remove the battery like this. Now to remove this plastic part, to have access to the internals, we'll need to remove this small Phillips screw here. And I have a small Phillips head screwdriver here because yeah, it was part of a kit. I'll put links in the description, by the way, if you want to get these tools, everything that I've used today. It will be easiest to get them on Amazon. So yeah, let's get started. I'll remove this screw here. Okay, once it's done, set this aside, and it will be very hard to remove it just with your fingers. Good luck with this. So we'll need something very thin like this blade. Okay, and we'll put it on the side here of the mouse, and then take the blade again and pop it completely out. Whoops, maybe be more careful that I am. Okay, so this is out, perfect, and we have access here to the internals. So if the wheel is not very smooth like mine, yeah, this is pretty annoying. We'll need to lubricate this small part here, the plastic with the metal, and also this small, yeah, and also this metal with plastic part here where there is contact. Okay, so to do this, we'll use some WD-40. It's quite not I won't recommend to simply spray it over this circuit board. So what we'll do is we're gonna put some WD-40 on a plastic cup, or you know, anything, a small container. Let me do this. Spray just a little bit. Okay, doesn't have to be a lot. Then take a tissue, toilet paper, anything. Just make yourself, you know, just roll it like this. I feel this is the easiest way. You can obviously use some other tools that are more precise, like some brushes, but hey, we all have toilet paper, so why not use it? And you're gonna dip it in the WD-40 here. Okay, you see it's soaked. And with this, we'll be able to have more precision where we want the lubrication to go. So just go ahead and dab this over here first. You can always go back to your WD-40 here if you need more. And yeah, keep doing this. Then we'll need to put over here too. I'll just add more. Okay. And simply put it right on the plastic, but around it too. The small black plastic thing there. Let me add even a bit more here just to make sure. You can even rotate the wheel and apply. And when you're satisfied with the scroll wheel, so if it's smooth enough for you, we'll need to reassemble everything. Very easy again. Make sure it clicks everything in place. Put back your dongle if you don't need it, and the battery with the positive side pointing downwards here. And put back the top panel. And your mouse should be now working much better. The scroll wheel should be much smoother. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.